You know that feeling when you really wanted to say something, but you just couldn't. Or when you're having a group discussion and you suddenly have this thought in your mind that what if I sound dumb? What if they think that I'm just stupid who doesn't know anything? We all have been there. So, hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So, today I'm going to give you practical tips using which you can also become the most confident version of yourself. So, let's get into it. Stop thinking that I'll wait for the right moment, because you know what? There's no such thing as right moment. And right moment starts the moment you take action. The moment you do something is the right moment. You don't become confident by waiting for the right moment. You become confident the moment you take action. You can literally watch hundreds of thousands of videos, or you can read books on how to become confident, but you can never be confident unless you start taking action, unless you do something to be confident. And yeah, it may seem difficult at first, but you know what? First step is always the hardest step. But the moment you take the first step, it's going to be so much easier for you later on. And I'm not saying to suddenly give a speech in front of your class. I mean, if you want to, that's good. But I'm not saying that. I'm just saying take baby steps. You know what? Start with greeting people. Start with saying good morning to your classmates or to your teachers, because these steps they eventually going to increase your confidence. Stop saying that people won't like me if I am being myself. Why wouldn't people like you? Do you have a questionable personality? No, you don't. Then why will people not like you? And even if they don't like you, so what? Who cares? Because no matter how good you are to people, no matter how hard you try to please people, there will be some people who will complain. So stop thinking about other people. Stop thinking about, oh my god, they will judge me. How do you know they will judge you? Because you are the one who always assume the worst. You always think that people will make fun of me, people will tease me, people will laugh at me. How do you know they will do that? The truth is, no one cares. Everyone is so busy in their lives that they don't care what you do. Yes, they will laugh, but they will forget about it in a minute. Some people, they only make fun of others. They themselves don't do anything. They themselves are just insecure. And the moment they see someone doing something, the moment they see someone making efforts, it triggers them. And they do what they're best at doing, which is making fun of people, which is trying to stop people or trying to someone who's making an effort, who is literally trying to do something for them. It makes them think that why am I not doing, like what am I doing with my life? Like it makes them question their life. You're thinking that they're going to make fun of, but what if you give them a new perspective? What if they think like, oh my god, I never thought this way. Thank you for telling me. Thank you for giving me a new perspective. So don't assume the worst. Don't think that, oh my god, they're going to make fun of me, or maybe they're making fun of me. What if they're complimenting you? What if they are saying something nice about you? And even if they're making fun of you, don't let them affect your life. Don't let them affect your confidence. And don't let them stop you from becoming the best version of yourself. Stop telling yourself that you need to be perfect in this thing to be confident. Stop telling yourself that you need to be perfect in that thing to be confident. No one is perfect, period. Just accept this. No matter how much effort you put towards learning something, you just cannot be perfect in everything. You have your own strength, I have my own strength. We all have different strengths, and that is fine. You don't have to be perfect in everything to be confident, because confidence, it has nothing to do with perfection. And stop comparing yourself with other people. Like literally just stop doing it, because the more you compare yourself with other people, the more you feel jealous, and the more it makes you feel bad about yourself, feel bad about your life. So stop doing this. And if you really want to compare yourself, then compare yourself with your past version. Because like just imagine how far you came. Like earlier you were so insecure, but now you know your worth. Now you are capable of understanding everything. And that is a win. It really is. If someone tells you that, oh my god, you're looking so pretty, don't say that, no, I'm not pretty. I'm not that good looking. Just accept the compliment, say thank you, and move on. Like, why do you think that you don't deserve any compliment? Why do you think that you don't have even a single good quality? Is beyond my understanding. I mean, just accept the compliment. Just accept it that people like you. Just accept this that there are people who finds you intelligent, who finds you kind, who find you beautiful. Like, stop belittling yourself. Stop saying this that you don't deserve any compliments or you don't have any good quality. When learn to take compliments. So the next time someone compliments you, instead of saying that I'm not like this, or stop joking, or stop teasing me, just say thank you and move on. Negative people are like infection. The more time you spend with them, the more they are going to infect you with their thoughts, with their mind. And if you're with someone who always demotivates you, who always tries to make fun of you and make fun of your effort, then trust me, they don't deserve to be with you. Like, you deserve people who are genuinely happy for you, who appreciate your effort. You deserve to be with people who are generally happy for you. You deserve to be with people who don't think of you as a competition, who don't think that they need to sabotage you to be successful. Because if you're hanging out with someone and after you hang out with them, you suddenly start to feel insecure, then that is the sign that they are sabotaging you, and you need to get away from them. You need to stop interacting with them. If you want to be confident, you need to surround yourself with positive people, with positive minded people, because they will always uplift you, they will always encourage you, they will always appreciate your efforts, they will never try to sabotage you, because they genuinely want you to succeed, they genuinely want you to be your best version. Confident people, they know their worth. And stop letting people make fun of you. Stop letting people disrespect you. Take a stand for yourself, because come on, let's be honest. No one is coming to save you. Like, literally, no one. You have to save yourself. You have to take a stand for yourself, because if you are not taking a stand for yourself, then why are you expecting other people to take a stand for yourself? Like, no one will. And confident people, they know their worth. They do not entertain any sort of humiliation, any sort of disrespect from anyone. If your friends are making jokes about your appearance, about the way you talk, then tell them to stop. Tell them that you don't like their jokes and you don't want to entertain their jokes. Because come on, jokes on someone's appearance and body is not funny. Jokes about someone's condition, someone's situation is not funny. And you need to understand this. And come on, you don't have to let people make fun of yourself so that they will accept you. Learn to say no. Learn to say that no, I don't like what you're saying about me. Because you not taking a stand for yourself is like telling them that they can do whatever they want, they can make fun of you all they want, and you wouldn't say a thing because you're not confident enough to say something. But once you take a stand for yourself, then you're sending them this message that I'm not going to tolerate any sort of disrespect about me. I'm not going to entertain whatever that you're saying, I'm not going to entertain your disrespect, I'm not going to entertain any kind of humiliation. So start taking a stand for you. The moment you start taking stand for yourself, then you would eventually feel so confident. You would eventually feel that, you know what, I can do this. So that is it for today's video. And if you like my video, then like, share, and subscribe my channel. And we'll meet next time. Bye.